So I'm going to start a series of short videos to explain some technical terms in MSCA application process. So welcome to Spin Along Molecules. Today I'm here with a short video on what kind of font and size we should use in the body text of our proposal, part B1 especially, and also I will explain, for example, in the tables, Gantt chart, or text boxes, what kind of font is more suitable. So let's go. So the official template that we get from EU website, it's A4 size, and we should keep the page size as A4, and all the margins should not be less than 15 millimeter, like top, bottom, and sides. And this does not include any headers and footers. So the reference font in this template is Times New Roman, and it is advisable to keep it in the Times New Roman, but if you want to use a different font type, you should make sure that it's legible and it does not significantly affect the length of the proposal. Like, it should not be used to overpass the length, like 10 pages, for example, for B1. It should not be with a view to bypass the page limit. And the minimum font size that is advisable throughout your proposal body text is 11 Times New Roman. And this also means that for the tables, the advisable font size is 11 Times New Roman. For the Gantt chart, what is instructed officially is you can use as less as 8 font size, but not less than 8. And this is for Times New Roman's standard font type. But if you use some time like other font, for example, in the tables, if you use a different type of font, so this might vary, like what kind of font size you're using. And other than body text, the text element should not be less than 8. Again, it's for Time New Roman, and it includes like headers, footers, captions, any diagrams, but make sure it's legible. Another advice here is that the tags that you see on different sections, you should not remove them. You should keep them as such. They are for data processing. And if you really want to do, you can reduce their size, but you should keep them. So in summary, you can use any type of font, but the size of the font should be easily readable. And the best way is that you print it out and you read and check how easy it is to read. And for example, in my case, I used Times New Roman 11 throughout my proposal body, but in the tables I did not follow exactly the instruction, so I used Arial, and in the body of my table the Arial size was 7.5, and the heading of the table throughout were Arial 8. So I printed them out and I checked they were legible, easily readable. So I think there was no problem. And in this way, I was able to add a lot of information in my tables and easily readable. So the key message here is that you can use a different font other than Times New Roman, but you should print it out and check how easily readable it is. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video.